of flames here.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you're probably very fat because of the flames. Okay guys, get ready for a first ever POV video of the wild boar or Vild-Svinet at Bonbon Land with coaster stop. So this is the third coaster on this roller coaster trip where we do a vertical lift. That's fantastic. This one is outdoors though, I can film on it, that's great. Here we go guys, Vild-Svinet. Nice, that was really fun. Okay, this started out great, I like this. I think it was really fun. That was a really fun roller coaster. I like that. And then after this we're gonna do the spinning coaster. But this is really fun.
That's the spinning.
Yeah, that's the spinning coaster. So this was Vild-Svinet here at Bonbon Land. I think we will ride this one again. That was really fun. Boink. Thank you very much. We are very ready, thank you. Okay, so the first ever ride in Han-Katten, or the male cat, and the first time we make a POV also. And as you can see, this is a spinning Gerslauer roller coaster, and as you can see we have Sarah in front of us. So this is gonna be a very, very fun POV. And I saw some people, the thing is we are sitting on the same side, which I do not think is a good idea, because I think we're gonna spin extra much. I saw some people that spun like crazy, completely crazy.
We used to have that like.
Okay, that was really, it started really fun, I have to say. And now we're gonna do the wild mouse. Oh no way. Oh no. Oh, I am not sure. I didn't sign up for this. Okay, I really enjoyed this. This is really fun. Whee! No, this is really cool. Oh, hey! 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 Oh, that was great. That was a really fun roller coaster. That was so much fun. We need to do that again. I found the last coaster. So we have one more coaster after this, but this was really, really fun. We're gonna ride this one again. Yeah. So there you go, everyone. That was a POV of Han-Katten here at Bonbon Land, presented by Sarah and Coaster Stop. Free of charge. And here you get to have a little look on the station. Not very themed, but very fun.
Thank you.
So this is a dog fart roller coaster, Hunderprutten or Hunderprutten. So it's actually dog poop and things here. But anyway, this is the first POV of this trip. And this little roller coaster, just 3 laps. Ah, water ride. Nice for you. That was the first lap. And we do a flyback. This is, by the way, a seated roller coaster, if you are interested in that. We're using the 360 camera. We are not allowed to use the wrist mount, as we said, so you cannot see us riding this, but we hope you like the dog fart roller coaster anyway. 2 laps.
It was a nice one.
Yeah, it is a cute one. Very smooth and like it's not forceful at all. Sorry, we didn't say that. The dog here that we can see on the side is called Henry. So it's Henry Hunderprutt, I think it's his name. They actually named him that. They named him Henry Dogfart. There we have it. Okay, so this is our first ever POV from Coaster Stop on Viktor Vandorm at Bonbon Land. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. She was nice. She was waving to us. So this is a cedar. It's 750 meters long.
Woohoo!
And as you can see, it's a very long train. We're sitting in the back row. Woo!
That was our speed.
It was quite some speed. It feels like it's gonna stop now instead. That's what's really fun with roller coasters that has these long trains. These long trains. Way. People are actually riding this water slides here. They're also riding the river rafting ride in this park. So again, this is a cedar in this park. They have 2 cedar roller coasters and 2 Gerslauers.
Now we're gonna park here.
Yep, we're gonna take a stop.
Yeah,
There we go. Way.
Oh my god, I feel like I'm gonna fall out.
Yeah, actually. Oh, now we're gonna stop again.
Get up, get up.
Yeah, and we're gonna have a second lift hill here to get us back to the station.
But the speed. Can you walk?
Oh my god, we're gonna fall off. It's fantastic. So this is it's kind of fun. We did Tusenfryd not that long ago in Norway, and that park is owned and operated by Parques Reunidos, which also owns this park, Bonbon Land. Here you can see the other coasters. So this does 2 laps, by the way. So you're gonna just slide through the station here and go for lap number 2. There's a lot of smoke in the river rafting ride over there. I wonder if it's intended or if something happened. And here we're gonna drop again. Woo-hoo-hoo! Okay, with this roller coaster, I like that part. That part. That's it. Still, I like that it's long though.
Yeah.
I have to say.
Time to look around.
Yeah.
Enjoy it.
Yeah. Goes a little bit over and inside the lake here, also like that. So when this brakes, it actually moves the station.
Oh yeah.
So the station is swaying back and forth when the coaster leaves and brakes inside the station.
And I have to say that was more scary than.
Oh yeah, wait, yeah, it was more scary than the roller coaster. I agree.
Oh my god.
Ah, this is. We think that the swing ride here today, Sven, something like that.
Oh, yeah.
We think it's closed. We think they're waiting for spare parts. Like, I'm falling off. Oh, it's amazing. Wow. Viktor Vandorm is one really fun roller coaster here. No, not really fun. Fun.
It's fun.
Funny. Funny. Not fun. It's a funny roller coaster. So if you're watching this POV, make sure that you watch the full vlog from this park, Bonbon Land. And here we go. Now we're gonna brake. I'm gonna move the station. My back is hurting a little bit.
You're back.
My back is hurting a little bit. Got a cramp in my back. Can you have a cramp in your back?
I don't think so.
No, okay. At least I tried it. There we go.